everybody. Pardon the hair, it's been a really long day in the sun, lots of fun. But I just wanted to wrap up this video by sharing a really quick message. This was the Elephant Nature Park in Chiang Mai, and why I chose this place was because this was one of the only places where you didn't ride the elephants. I know, crazy, right? A lot of people come to Chiang Mai to ride the elephants, but what you don't know is that there's a lot of pain, torture, and inhumane treatment that goes on behind the scenes of getting the animals to be able to obey the leaders whenever they're walking. And not to mention that normally whenever they're holding people, they're holding 500 pounds at a time. They're holding multiple people, and they're holding these wooden chairs that you sit in with cushions, sometimes with drinks, with food. You have all this stuff on top of the elephants. It can end up being around 500 pounds. More than that, these elephants that are at these parks are ones at the Elephant Nature Park. They're ones that are now being taken care of after years of abuse from circus animal, being taught in the circus, being trained to do absolutely crazy things, painting pictures. If you've ever seen an elephant that paints a picture, being used for human entertainment. Those elephants are taken in by the Elephant Nature Park. Now, the places where you go that also take in the animals, that you ride the animals, those are also animals that have been abused in their past, but the torture basically continues. They continue to use the animals for our pleasure, for humans' entertainment. So, if you come to Chiang Mai, I'm gonna just ask you from the bottom of my heart, support the Elephant Nature Park. Don't go to any of the other places that you get to ride the elephants on. I know it sounds great, but at the Elephant Park, you'll learn so many stories about the elephants, what they've gone through, so many heartbreaking things, but it's a beautiful thing to be able to watch the elephants now finally rest in peace and be taken care of at the sanctuary. Thank you guys for watching. I know I didn't talk a lot in this video, but I wanted it to be mostly just film from my day. So thank you for watching, and subscribe if you like what you see. Comment below if you want more specific stuff in Chiang Mai or in Asia as I move on along my journey, and I'll see you guys later.